Take your GIS expertise to the next level with industry-focused training. Join our advanced workshop designed to help professionals master spatial data analysis using QGIS. Learn smart spatial data management techniques, including advanced queries, geometry operations, and spatial joins. Plus spatial joins to validate clean, reliable datasets. Understand temporal mapping and visualize changes over time using QGIS temporal tools. Using QGIS temporal tools and animations to reveal land use change and seasonal patterns. Explore advanced terrain analysis. Derive slope and aspect for precision planning. And apply density estimation with spatial statistics and network analysis. Automate workflows. Enable interactive spatial analysis. And publish engaging web maps with Leaflet and Mapbox. Upgrade your geospatial skills and stay ahead in the GIS industry with Indaca Institute of Skills. Explore upcoming workshops and secure your seat. Follow Indaca for daily learning insights.